How to set notifications in a Discord server. There's multiple ways of getting notifications. For example, if you join a Discord server, you can get notifications for every single message being sent in this Discord server. A Discord owner can turn this off and put them on mentions only, and then you don't get that. So that's the first way of getting notifications, is getting notifications for everything. If you want to turn this off and only turn on mentions, what you need to do is right click on the server, notification settings, and then put it on only mentions and not on all messages. Then in a Discord server, you can have roles. For example, here Twitch alert, YouTube alerts, but also just streamer and stuff like that I have in here. And those are mentions because they're mentioning your role. Some server owners will give you a role manually, but like in my server here, you can click on these emotes underneath and you can get the role. So what I do, if I post something about my Twitch, what I do is I tag the role Twitch alerts and everybody with that role will get a notification. For me, you can just turn it on and off by clicking on these buttons. The way I do this is with the bot Jark PD. This is how it's called, this is how it looks like. Basically what it does is if somebody clicks on the emote, it will automatically assign that role. And then if I tag him, they get a mention and they get like a notification. So to go to your notification settings for a server, you right click on it, notification settings. And here we have only mentions, which is if they mention your role or your person. So for me at Trui, or for example at streamer, or you can set it on nothing for no notifications. If somebody gave you a role and they keep tagging you and you don't want that, set it on nothing. You can also suppress everyone in here. So if you do add everyone, everybody in the Discord gets mentioned. But here it's everybody that has access to this one channel is being mentioned. So you can suppress that I don't do that. Suppress all role mentions, so every role they mention, you can't get a notification for. Suppress highlights. When they highlight a message, you don't get a notification. If there's events in the Discord server, you don't get a notification. Or mobile push notifications, you can also turn this off, and then you don't get a notification in your phone. You can also mute the server for 15 minutes, an hour, 3 hours, 8 hours, 24 hours, or until I can turn it back on. Which means that we don't get any notifications for this amount of time, or forever. Or until I turn it back on. This is how you can set your notification settings in Discord. If you want to know more about Discord, I have a full playlist about Discord, so let's jump into it.